Hello Millie.
Hi, I'm Tori.
We're staying in the New Haven
Motel. Because we're going to the ballet seminar.
Yeah, and we're in Auckland, by the way. Should we show them?
We're upstairs, it's pretty cool.
It's like a mezzanine floor.
Okay, I'll show you we should show you the view. Look down here. Look.
Oh, blimey, what a view! Hello, Wendy. That's Troy's mum, guys.
Hi there.
The fridge is called the Calvinator. We'll show you when we're down
It's very up to date. Okay, let's go down the stairs.
This is me and Tori's room.
We'd like down.
Tori, would you like to show us the lantern?
Oh,
It seems to be a bit of an excitement with all the girls.
here's the lantern.
Wow.
Describe in Japanese.
Yeah. Look, very small stairs.
And it's one that has different stairs.
One different coloured one. You can't really tell the camera.
We found it. We got a little bit lost, but
Here
Go
is
watch.
the Calvinator.
This is the Calvinator. Just see. Calvinator.
oh, just because it was like dark. And
They gave us some milk.
Right, they gave us two.
Fine.
And
we were looking for the tray.
This is amazing.
And a seat
Watch this.
and a TV cabinet.
It was really bizarre.
Wow. Look, we could even sit in the TV.
It could be two types of chairs if you want.
Because we went out and
I mean, cheers.
We're all
Rhymes
excited.
so
It's
good.
amazing. Yeah.
Okay, let's show them the girls too.
Anyway, it's the couch. There's the Skywatch again. There's the lovely television set.
we've only just
And here's the very modern microwave.
With wood style printing and everything.
Very modern.
like it's got
And
That's the
here,
bathroom.
our bed is so
The toilet has a door.
No.
Oh, the toilet door's frozen. It doesn't move at all. Tori just found that out. Oh my god. Oh my god, it does move. And you went. It does move. Another lantern. Look, there's us. Hi mum.
Hi, Dad. We're so cool.
There's a wardrobe. There's no one in there.
Get on the chair and touch this.
You could try climb on top.
Okay. Might break.
I hope not.
It's a bit dusty.
You might get rabies. I don't think you should try. High ceiling though, isn't it? Way up there.
Because that's where we are.
Yeah, on the other side. It's special. It's special, really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's
Been great reporting to you.
yes, we'll talk to you soon.
Yeah. I'm Millie.
And I'm Tori.
Good night.
broken.